is painful for me to face the fact that we cannot contribute to the solution of urgent social problems, but with an endless repetition of our transient moves, we could design eternity.
Hello, I'm Steven Op de Beek. I'm director of Contour Biennial in Mechelen, which is in Belgium, and I'm visiting the Ljubljana Biennial today, and especially also on the presentation tonight of our common project, which is Leisure, Discipline and Punishment. It's a co-production of 8 works, and today we can see the final results here in Ljubljana. I used the rest of the day already to visit 3 other venues in this biennial, and I'm very surprised. It's also my first time that in Ljubljana, so it looks very good.
Under lilla fanor tågar vi stolta mot vår revolution.